What if I told you that just 3 exercises could keep you stronger, more mobile, and more functional than 90% of people your age? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the reality. Your body doesn't need dozens of complicated movements or expensive gym memberships. These 3 exercises hit every major muscle group: your legs, chest, back, core, and glutes, covering all the fundamental movement patterns that keep you independent and pain-free for life. While everyone else is overcomplicating their fitness routine, you're about to discover the simplest, most effective approach that's been hiding in plain sight all along. Picture this. You're getting up from a chair, picking something off the floor, or even sliding in and out of your car seat. What's the one movement your body's doing without you even thinking about it? That's right, you're squatting. It's funny how we've turned one of the most natural human movements into some gym exercise that people either love or avoid like the plague. But here's the thing. The squat isn't just about building a firm backside or impressing folks at the gym. It's literally the foundation of functional strength that'll keep you mobile, independent, and pain-free well into your golden years. Think about elderly folks who struggle to stand up without help. That's often because they've lost the strength and mobility that squats preserve. Now let's talk about what squats actually do for you, because the benefits go way beyond what meets the eye. First off, they're going to strengthen your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core all at once. That's like getting 4 exercises in one efficient package. Your legs carry you through life, so keeping them strong means you're less likely to deal with knee pain, back issues, or that nagging feeling of weakness when you're climbing stairs. Plus, squats torch calories like nobody's business because they're recruiting so many muscle groups simultaneously. You're also building bone density, which is crucial as you age since osteoporosis isn't something you want to mess around with. And here's a bonus. Stronger legs mean better balance, which translates to fewer falls and injuries down the road. So how do you actually perform a proper squat without wrecking your knees or tweaking your back? Start by standing with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Think about 10 to 15 degrees, kind of like you're standing on a clock at 11 and 1. Keep your chest proud and your core engaged, like someone's about to playfully punch you in the stomach. As you descend, imagine you're sitting back into a chair that's just behind you. Your hips should move back first, not your knees shooting forward. Go down until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, or as low as your mobility allows without your lower back rounding. Push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. If you're brand new to this or dealing with some limitations, here's a gentler approach. Try an isometric hold where you squat down as far as you comfortably can and just hold that position for 20 seconds. Aim for 3 sets of these holds with about 30 to 60 seconds rest between them. Once you've built up some foundational strength with the isometric holds, move on to 3 sets of 8 to 10 regular bodyweight squats, maybe twice a week. When that feels manageable, and I mean genuinely easy, add a light weight like a dumbbell held at your chest, or progress to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Ever tried pushing a heavy door open, moving furniture around your living room, or even just getting yourself up off the floor when you've been sitting down there? All of these everyday moments require upper body pushing strength, and that's exactly what the push-up trains. It's wild how this simple movement, one that doesn't require a single piece of equipment, has stood the test of time as one of the most effective exercises out there. We're talking about a move that's been used by soldiers, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts for generations. And there's a damn good reason for that. The push-up doesn't discriminate. It meets you where you are and challenges your entire upper body, core, and even your legs to work as one cohesive unit. Whether you're 18 or 80, mastering this exercise is going to pay dividends in how you move through life. Let's break down what's really happening when you knock out a set of push-ups, because the benefits are honestly staggering. You're primarily hitting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. That trio is responsible for almost every pushing motion you'll ever do in real life. But here's where it gets interesting. Your core has to stay rock solid to keep your body in a straight line, which means you're also building serious abdominal and lower back strength without doing a single crunch. Push-ups improve your shoulder stability, which is crucial for preventing injuries whether you're reaching overhead to grab something or breaking a fall. They also enhance your muscular endurance, meaning you won't get fatigued as quickly during physical tasks. And since you're supporting your entire body weight, you're building functional strength that translates directly to real-world activities, not just isolated muscles that look good but can't actually do much. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of performing a push-up that'll actually build strength without destroying your shoulders or wrists. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward or slightly outward. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine a broomstick lying along your back that's touching your head, upper back, and tailbone simultaneously. Engage your core like you're bracing for impact, and don't let your hips sag or pike up. Lower yourself down by bending your elbows, keeping them at about a 45-degree angle from your body, not flared out to the sides like chicken wings. Go down until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up explosively. If a standard push-up feels too challenging right now, start with an elevated version by placing your hands on a bench, a sturdy table, or even against a wall. This reduces the amount of body weight you're lifting. Try 3 sets of 5 to 8 elevated push-ups to start, and once you can comfortably do 3 sets of 15, lower the surface height or move to the floor. Once you've mastered the standard push-up and you're ready to take things up a notch, try the diamond push-up. Bring your hands close together so your thumbs and index fingers form a diamond shape beneath your chest. This variation absolutely torches your triceps and inner chest while demanding even more core stability. Here's something most people don't realize until it's too late. Sitting for hours on end, whether you're working at a desk, driving, or binge-watching your favorite series, is literally shutting off your glutes and wrecking your posture. Your glutes aren't just there to fill out your jeans. They're the powerhouse behind almost every lower body movement you make, from walking upstairs to standing up from a seated position. The glute bridge is hands down one of the most underrated exercises out there, yet it's incredibly effective at waking up those dormant muscles and reversing the damage of our sedentary lifestyles. It's a movement that looks deceptively simple, but don't let that fool you. When done correctly, it's going to light up your entire posterior chain and address issues you didn't even know you had. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building a body that moves pain-free and performs like it's supposed to. So what exactly makes the glute bridge such a game changer for your overall health and functionality? First and foremost, it directly targets your glutes, the largest muscle group in your body, which means you're building serious strength in the muscles responsible for hip extension, a movement pattern you use constantly throughout the day. Strong glutes take pressure off your lower back, which is why so many people with chronic back pain find relief once they start training them properly. The bridge also strengthens your hamstrings and engages your core, creating a stable foundation that protects your spine during everyday activities. You're improving hip mobility, which tends to get tight and restricted from all that sitting, and you're counteracting anterior pelvic tilt, that forward tipping of the pelvis that causes that exaggerated lower back arch. Plus, stronger glutes mean better athletic performance. Whether you're sprinting for the bus or playing weekend sports with friends, let's walk through how to execute a glute bridge that'll actually deliver results without straining your neck or overworking your hamstrings. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, positioned about hip width apart and close enough to your butt that you can almost touch your heels with your fingertips. Press through your heels and squeeze your glutes hard as you lift your hips toward the ceiling. At the top, your shins should be roughly vertical, and you should feel the work concentrated in your glutes, not your lower back. Hold that top position for a solid 2 to 3 seconds, then lower back down with control. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, and as you progress, increase to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, or add weight across your hips. For an advanced variation, try the single leg glute bridge with one leg extended straight out. This forces the working leg to handle all the load while challenging your balance and core stability. Oh, and by the way, if you want even more exercises like these with detailed explanations and progressions, I've put together a complete guide that's linked in the pinned comment below, or you can just scan the QR code on your screen right now. So what's stopping you from starting today? You've got everything you need right now. No excuses, no equipment, just these 3 movements. Are you going to keep waiting for the perfect moment, or are you ready to take control of your strength? Start today, even if it's just 1 set of each. Your future self will thank you. If you found this valuable, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you keep learning and building a body that lasts for life.